Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by to learn more about TRONCASE. Now, before we get started, facts. Nothing but facts here. 97% of people fail in network marketing. That's a fact. 0% of people fail in this. 0%. 100% pure facts. Let's begin. This is not the norm where you ask somebody, hey, send me your link so I can check it out and join. With troncase.io, you cannot join from the website. Ask the person who invited you here for the referral link. I will explain. Now here's our main website, troncase.io. Once you go there, you notice there's no join tab. Again, ask the person who invited you here for the referral link and we'll explain. TRONCASE launched January 3rd, 2021. As we scroll through the website, these are key facts right here. Transparency, decentralized, high security. Please read this information. It's very important. And you will love it. You can also visit on our website the audit reports. There's 2 of them for you. Our total contribution up to the second on this date of June 24th, 2021. Currently, we have over 152,000 people on social media earning every 4 seconds, and we'll get into that. So how does it work with TRONCASE? It's simple. Number 1, you need to get some Tron, TRX. And you can do that simply by downloading the Clever Wallet right here, the Clever Wallet, onto your iPhone or Android. Once you download Clever, you can purchase your TRX. And now you're 1 step away from joining TRONCASE and earning every 4 seconds just like that. So what can you get started at? What's the minimum? It's 100 Tron. In today's world, at this moment, that's about $7. That's all it takes for you to join TRONCASE. Maximum contribution, talking about $4 million. In US money, that's close to $250,000. You can put whatever amount you want to. It's your money. Rule 1, invest money that you can afford to lose. There's nothing negative about TRONCASE at all. Again, we've been around since January 3rd, 2021. Strong and proud. And again, nobody fails in TRONCASE. Everybody wins. That's every single person. Over 152,000 people right now earning every 4 seconds. Total rewards, you're talking about 300%. That's huge. So the second you join TRONCASE, you'll start earning 2.0% on day 1. That's the money you put into TRONCASE. Once you get up to day 6, you'll start earning 2.5%. That's huge. No other bank can touch that. Again, TRONCASE launched January 3rd, 2021, and all these bonuses are happening for us. So when you see us talk about another pay raise, it happens through personal hold bonus, leader bonus, community bonus, contract total amount bonus, and this is happening monthly for us. That's why so many people are joining TRONCASE on a daily basis. On record, around 1,800 people join a day. Not a week, not a month, not every 3 months. Daily. You hear everybody talking about you do not have to recruit a single person to earn anywhere from 2.0% to 2.5%. That's a fact. However, if you want to build a team, that's on you. It's just a win-win situation. But the bottom line, everybody wins. So when you sign up your first person into TRONCASE, you'll earn 7% on your first level all the way down to level 11 at 0.1%. That's if you want to build a team. Again, that's up to you. On our main website, you can join our Telegram group, check out our YouTube channel, and also get support if you ever need it. How to join TRONCASE? As we talked about, get a Clever Wallet from your App Store or Google Play. After you set up your Clever Wallet, next you want to buy Tron, TRX. There it is right there. Now we talk about $7 to join today on this date. However, Clever has a minimum purchase requirement of $50. They have other coins, crypto coins on their wallet like Bitcoin. And if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, it's a minimum purchase of $50. At this moment, on this date, and again, over 1,800 people join daily. Right now on this date, over 152,000 people smiling and getting paid every 4 seconds. Again, on day 1, 2.0% of the money you put in. Up to day 6, 2.5% of the money you put in. You can withdraw daily, you can add money, you can compound your money, you can do whatever you want, it's your money. Nobody can touch it. Again, no CEO, no accountant. This is your money and you're in control 100%. Now, before I end this, allow me to repeat myself. Facts. 97% of people fail in network marketing. 0% fail in TRONCASE. 0% fail in TRONCASE. 0. Get back to the person who invited you here. Start earning every 4 seconds with TRONCASE. Thank you.